In this video, I want to demonstrate the problem I'm having with CIT circuit breakers. CIT does not admit they're having quality issues, but hopefully this video will explain it to them in a way that words and pictures have been able to do so. Here's a terminal that won't take solder. You can see the flux and solder go all over the terminal and board, but the solder will not stick to the terminal. So the breaker must be removed from the circuit board. In this case, the bad terminal was soldered first, so I didn't have to remove the solder from the good terminal, which saves a lot of time repairing it. You can see that the shiny terminal is fine, but the bad terminal no longer has the plating. Here's a new one. I should point out that all of them look like this prior to soldering. It's only after the soldering that the plating comes off. With a good one in place, they can be soldered quickly, and you can see the solder flows all around the terminal just like it should. It has a nice shiny solder joint when I'm done. Here are some examples of bad ones. All these are bad, but CIT does not yet agree. So I hope this video helps to enlighten them. Thanks for watching.